familiar. Come one, come all, Karibuni. Karibuni. Get your magic on there. Get your magic on deck, family. We're about to get in the game. Peace in, Cheza Roho. You don't know. Hey, oh, hey, oh, hey, oh, hey, yeah, yeah, oh, hey, Karibuni family. We're about to get in the game today. Welcome to Furahaland. My name is MIKEL. I am the representative of Waroho House, the chief Chezaji of this community. And this rising, we are opening up our gates to Furahaland to let you experience one of our most sacred and great spiritual games, family. So won't you join us here in our spiritual game of Cheza? Come, just for a moment, family. I want you to put down your yesterday. I want you to let go of your tomorrow right now, family, and step into Furahaland with us, the Cheza Roho. Let's get in the game of Cheza Roho, family. Furahaland is the place of pleasure and peace. The place that unifies your lower Kevin and your higher Kevin. Your spaces of awareness. Yes, family, this game, Cheza Roho, is the unity of self, family. This is where you come to be one. India, Karibuni Cheza Roho, wherever you are right now. Get in the game, family. Step in the game, my kings and queens. We love, we appreciate you, and we welcome you here today, family, into our game of love. Won't you pray with me? Won't you pray with me today, family? Yes, this life is indeed a game. And that game, family, is for us to experience a constant state of pleasure and peace. Let's get in the game. So welcome, family. I'm here with you. This is my commitment to you. I'm here every rising. Every rising, when you wake up, know that there is an hour waiting for you to participate in this sacred game of pleasure and peace. Yes, family, Furahaland represents that space that you've read about in your scriptures. Furahaland represents that space that you were told about in your wildest dreams, family. A space that has only ever existed until now in movies. It's only existed in the heights of your imagination, family. But today, family, I'm here not only to declare that it is real, I am here to show and prove that it is real. Yes, family, Furahaland is what is known to most people as heaven on earth, family. And today, let it be known that if this is the first time you're hearing my voice or seeing this message, to know that you know from today onwards that heaven is earth. Your life is to be a heaven on earth. And that's where we are. That's where we are right now, family. So every morning, family, every rising, every day you get up, I invite you here for nothing else but to allow yourself just 1 hour in your day where you can experience total bliss, where you can experience your heaven in the now, where you can experience the truth in your glow, experience the realness that you've never even allowed yourself to see. Yes, family, when you come here, I don't need you to leave your name to the side. Leave who you believe you are on this egoic level to the side. Leave anyone's judgments of you. Leave your judgments of yourself. Leave your expectations from God, from your ancestors, from your peers. Leave those all behind, family. When you step into the game of Cheza Roho, family, you give yourself an opportunity for two things. Two things that matter most when it comes to living this heavenly existence, family. Two things that this whole entire game of life is about. Yes, family, when you step into the Cheza Roho game and give yourself a glimpse of Furahaland, you are giving yourself the opportunity to be in a constant state of pleasure and peace. That's you right now, family. So welcome. Get in the game, family. Hey! Get in the game, family. So I need you wherever you are. Just allow yourself to stretch a bit. I'm going to take you on an emotional roller coaster and allow yourself to express how you want, family. Alright? This is not a dance class. So you can move how you want. Do what you want. Breathe how you want. Yeah? The only rules here, family, is that you keep moving and you keep breathing. That's all I want you to do. Nothing more, nothing less. It's really that simple, yes. Pleasure and peace is nothing but a game of rhythm and breath. So play with me. Cheza! Let's say, Amen. Oh, oh, amen. 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 Yeah, yeah. Amen. Call on that peace, my kings and queens. Woo! Hey! Me want the whole. Mother Earth says she want the resurgence of the whole erection. Hey! Mother Earth says she want the resurgence of the whole erection. Me say, Mother Earth says she want the resurgence of the whole erection. Hey! Mother Earth says she want the resurgence. Say, it's resurrection time. Yeah, it's resurrection time. Yeah, it's resurrection time. Hey, Mother Earth says she want the resurgence of the whole erection. Better know it's resurrection time. King, queen, erection time. It's time for resurrection time. Hey! Hey! With the man, breath. With the man, breath. With the man breath to the A9 left. With the man breath to the A9 inside. Mother Earth says she want the resurgence of the whole erection time. Yeah. Hey! Get in the game, family. Inside. Family, this Saturday, 21st of August 2021, we are doing our second edition of our Cheza Roho, Unleash the Spirits, where we are meeting up in the flesh, family, again for a moment in history where we get to touch and feel Furahalan. We get to bring it into physical representation. So family, if you enjoy these games and you want to contribute, right, to this energy being out there in the sociable world, then meet us on the 21st for our next Cheza Roho game, family. This one is masks and paint. I want you to step out of your ego completely. Come with your masks or come with your paint and allow your Watuaroho brethren and sistrins to decorate your spirit how you want, family. Yes, family. Let's get in the game. Hey! Put some flames if you're in the game. Now put some flames if you're in the game. Head to the link in my bio if you want to be a part of that. Get your tickets. Woo! Whoa, oh, amen. Amen. Yeah, yeah, amen. Amen. Oh, oh, amen. Amen. Oh, oh, amen. Amen. Oh, oh, amen. Amen. Oh, oh, amen. Get in the game. Put some flames if you're in. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. We in the game right now, family. Alright then. Kick it off with a. I'ma kick it off with a little something. I'ma kick it off with a little something. I'ma kick it off with a little something. And it goes a little something like this. Hey! Come on, family. I'm in my prayer mode today, family. We're in the game right now. Yo. Let me shut up my mouth, you hear me?
You can never run from yourself. Leave me off track. Play with the cards that's still. Cause bridging that's life. Happiness, health and wealth is always on my mind. But you can never rise from my hell when you're living in life. Hear me now, brother. I ain't seen my real self in ages. So this feels so amazing. To tap into my source of peace.
Somebody say pull up the tune. Sorry, family, I need to fly for this one. I need the dawah for this one. I need to put on my ma'ah. I need to wear my ma'ah. Let's go.
Hey.
Hey.
You can never run from yourself. Leave me off track. Play with the cards that's still. Cause bridging that's life.
Somebody said pull up the tune. You ain't in the game. What's the ma'ah?
Yeah. Hey. You can never run from yourself. Leave me off track. Play with the cards that's still. Cause bridging that's life. Happiness, health and wealth is always on my mind. But you can never rise from my hell when you're living in life. Hear me now, brother. I ain't seen my real self in ages. So this feels so amazing. To tap into my source of creation. That's patiently waiting for me. Ignoring all the signs that I'm changing. 'cause I've seen how far I've come with you. Oh, 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 oh. When I'm in your body, anything that I wanna hide, they can't take nothing from me. 'Cause all my treasures on the other side. How could I ever worry? When I worry, I like you giving me the eye. And when we connect, it's that internet speed. I just wanna want what I need. Every fruit has come from a seed. If you stay in touch with the season, you ain't gotta ask for a reason. Hear the spirit's talking to me when I give it to you. Give it to you, baby. Give it to you, oh. Allowing myself, take time to say for yourself now. Don't mind me all in your head, I'm finding the peak of the head now. Around me there's no one there, but it's all up on the plane now. Just give me a little break, give it to yourself before you get a taste. You just need to time for your inner space, your intellect, your synergy. You just give me time, let me demonstrate now. Give it to you. Give it to you. Give it to you. Give it to you.
Come on, family. Hey. Yeah.
I just wanna want what I need. Every fruit has come from a seed. And if you stay in touch with the season, you ain't gotta ask for a reason. It is spirit talking to me when I
Get the game.
Yo, man, I power them you there, you know. Them have vampire energy. B to the A to the M to the B to the I to the R to the E.
Hey.
B to the A to the M to the B to the I to the R to the E. B to the A to the M to the B to the I to the R to the E.
That's you. On my energy.
On my energy, yo, who the fuck?
Hey.
How the fuck?
Yeah.
Why the fuck?
Yeah.
When I stop, when niggas see the light in us, bite the dust. If you ain't tryna ride with us, light 'em up, 'cause duppies never fight us. They see me up, running to the gun. Ticks on my leeches on my blood, and they won't get enough till I'm dead in the dirt. I see 'em dead on the leg, hold on, that's my word. They be sucking on my heart, sucking on my chest, sucking at my soul, sucking at my breath, sucking on my head, sucking on my head, sucking on my head, sucking on my head. That's dead. My energy, they just want my energy, my energy, energy, my energy. They just want my energy, my energy, energy. B to the A to the energy, they just want my energy. B to the A to the energy, B to the A to the energy, they just want my energy.
Cheza.
That's how it goes, that's how it goes, that's how it goes, that's how it goes down. That's how it goes, that's how it goes, that's how it goes, that's how it goes down. Nobody knows now. But that's how it goes, that's how it goes, that's how it goes, that's how it goes down. I'm allowed to be proud. You can suck my face and still remain the weakest found. My blood is power, the street is powder. Sniff it if you're wicked, you will see it hours. If you ain't ours, you be going down. Hit your face around this, you won't be around. Get a knife, stick it in your side and see if you can walk the life. I'm the truth and all this light is killing you. But that's how it goes, that's how it goes down. That's how it goes, that's how it goes down. I'm so we come in, put till we come out. He's gonna say, she's gonna say nay. We's gonna say yay. He's gonna play, she's gonna play. We're gonna say, everybody say hey, 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 hey. House swine, better not run your mouth swine. Man like run you out swine. You know I'm about swine. I'm like, get him with it 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 what? Get him with it like, hey, everybody wanna take my shine. My energy, they just want my energy. My energy, energy. My energy, they just want my energy. My energy, energy. B to the A to the energy, they just want my energy. B to the A to the energy, they just want my energy. B to the A to the energy, they just want my energy. Oh my energy, oh my energy.
Hey MIKEL, you are a transcendent spirit. When someone possesses a spirit and an energy like yours, the bloodsuckers, the vampires, the energy drainers, the EPs, enemies of progress. They are all inevitable. And I want you to keep your head up, your heart brave, and your spirit strong. Don't let them get to you. I love you and I miss you so much.
Give me the mouse now, come on.
Kill him with the light. Kill him with the light, yeah. Smile face. Kill him with the light, yeah. Kill him with the light. Kill him with the light. Now smile face. Kill him with the light. Yeah. Sonny, kill him with the light. Oh.
You ain't in the game. Come on, family. Are you in the game? Put some flames if you're in the game, family. We midweek. We ain't doing too much talking, family. It's an emotional one today, so I gotta help you get over that rhyme. I told you when you step into the Cheza Roho game, fuck your name. Yeah, this is about pleasure and peace. Rhythm and rap right now, family. Come on, sing. Woo! Take it to them. Let's go. Umefika ni wakati nataka niwe na wewe. Mwili zetu zinataka ziongee. Nachotaka toto kwako vionge. Hey! Oh, kipusa. Utamu wako ninajua. Nipe ruhusa. Kifuani mwako nilalie. Kwanza niangalie, hebu niangalie, kisha nidalie, utamu nisikie, maheta waseme, wakichoko walale, tangu za mazile, na kupa miale, kama si wewe, hey, ujale, hey. I need the brothers to help me say this one. You gon' touch this man. You gon' touch this man. You gon' touch this man. Let me in your motherland. Open up so I can plant my seeds and love, erect some pyramids and obelisks and give that river Nile a kiss. No one else can vibe with this. No one else is wild. Come on, family. It's as true as you and me when I'm combined with you. I can't tell no other soil. Nah, you ain't been listening. I gotta drop that one a cappella. I gotta drop that one a cappella, family. Cause you ain't listening. When I told you jump into the Cheza Roho game, I need you to deep what we're talking about. I need you to deep the energy that you feel. This is Furaha. Hey! African sex. Hey! Passion when you put it on me. African sex. Hey! Did your wife kill Namukai? African sex. And you ain't never heard a rhythm like this. African sex. Alright, we're gonna drop it like this, family. Hey! And you gonna trust this man. You gonna touch this man. You gonna love this man. Let me in your motherland. Open up so I can plant my seeds and love, erect some pyramids and obelisks and give that river Nile a kiss. No one else can vibe with this. No one else is wild as this, and no one else is true as you and me. When I'm combined with you, I can't tell no other soil. You done makes my hair coil. Rhythm from another prison, freeing me from every prison. Black woman, black woman, black woman, Af woman, that woman, natural, my plural. I see all of you as heaven sent. Come over you like melanin. It's freedom what I'm telling them, yes. Let me add the plus to your minus. I'ma lift you up, my highness. We gon' put that history behind us. Just make love to me, love to me. Just make love to me, love to me. Just make love to me, love to me. Let me make love to you, love to you. Let me give you African sex. Hey! Passion when you put it on me. African sex. Hey! Sijawahi sikia utamukai. African sex. Let me tell you. And you ain't never heard a rhythm like this. African sex. Would you mind but a jolly come on me? Yeah. African sex. Yeah. Cause I love the way you put it on me. African sex. Yeah. When we get lost in the majesty. African sex. Ooh. Cause there ain't no other rhythm like this. African sex. Yeah. Hey. When I'm lost in your heavenly bliss. Heavenly bliss. It's a heaven like this. It's a heaven like this. Heaven like this. It's a heaven like this. Hey! It's a heaven like this. African sex. Come on, family. Family, when we're talking about African sex, family, we're talking about the sexual nature of God. You didn't hear me? I said, family, when I'm saying African sex, I'm talking about the sexual nature of the Most High Creator. Let me drop it again for you, so you understand. Hey! And you gon' touch this man. You gon' trust this man. You gon' love this man. Let me in your motherland. Open up so I can plant my seeds of love, erect some pyramids and obelisks, and give that river Nile a kiss. No one else can vibe with this. No one else is wild as this, and no one else is true as you and me. When I'm combined with you, I can't tell no other soil is you that makes my hair coil. Rhythm from another prison, freeing me from every prison. Black woman, black woman, black woman, Af woman, that woman, natural, my plural. I see all of you as heaven sent, come over you like melanin. It's freedom what I'm telling them, yeah. Let me add the plus to your minus, and I'm gonna lift you up, my highness. We gon' put that history behind us. Just make love to me, love to me. 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 Let me give you all of this African sex. You like listening? Passion when you put it on me. African sex. Hey. See your wife, you tamukai. African sex. And you ain't never heard a rhythm like this. African sex. Would you wife but a jolly come on me? Did you hear that? Did you feel that? Do you know that? Come on, family. Put some flames if you're in the game. Put some flames if you are in the game. Put some flames if you are in the game, family. As we said, family, this Saturday, link us. Brixton Street Gym. Get your tickets in the bio to be a part of our Unleash the Spirit live Cheza Roho game. There are no spectators. It's not a dance class. It's not a concept, family. It's a spiritual game that all who enter have chosen to play. Come and play with us, family, in the game of pleasure and peace, and see how those unions create what you are now experiencing as Furaha land. Yes? Get the king! Hey! Hold on. This year I'm coming out, all guns blazing. Who wanna run their mouth? All guns blazing. Anyone that stop me now, all guns blazing. I ain't for the ramping, ranting and raving. I ain't tryna be no slave in your cave. All I'm thinking about right now is misbehaving. Who wants that? No. Who can't flop me, no. Who's kept? Listen, that ain't the way. Don't take this for no lyrical dealing. This one a spiritual feeling. When the vibes them crawl inside your chakras, give you that sexual healing. What's in that you on my bubble? Deal with my wrong and you might just get left on your lonesome. So says the energy healer. When I draw my bubble, deal with my wrong and you might just get left on your ones and twos. Hey, so says the Utuamungu, me say, boof in your blood, boof when I got love, I got that. Happiness, health, wealth, I got that. Peace, I got that. Me say, everything I need, yeah, I got that. I got that. I said I got that. I said I really got that. Hey, tell a man say, yeah, I really got that. Love, I said I really got that. Peace, I said I really got that. Wealth, I said I really got that. Health, I said I really got that. Love, I said I really. So if you want beef, I really got that. Me say me got love, I got that. Me say happiness, health, wealth, I got that. Peace, me have that. Me say everything I need, I got that. Listen, so I said deal with man wrong, and you mess with the strong. Deal with man wrong and you see all the. Deal with man. Nakumaisha maji. Hey, you ain't in the game. Lift up them legs, family. Lift up them legs. You ain't in the game. Let me give you. Let's switch it up. Yeah. Get in the game right now. Family, if you're ready to play this game in the flesh, if you want to link up with me and the Cheza Roho house, meet us on the 21st in Brixton for our Cheza Roho Unleash the Spirits. Come with your masks, come with your paint, and let's get in the game. Go check out our movie, Jasho. That is our vision board. Let's get in the game. Hey! Family, let's go. Remember I told you this game is about rhythm and breath. I need you to, let's lock into that right now, family. Let's lock into it. So here's what I want you to do. Keep moving. Keep breathing. But now, I want you to channel your breathing through your nose. In and out. Put your hand on your heart, family. Try and let's find the rhythm of your heart, Kwanzaa, and then I'll tell you what to do with it. What I want you to do is just close your eyes and feel the rhythm of your heart. Can you feel how fast your heart is pumping? Feel it, family. Get in touch with it. Let's go.
Bring our hearts together, moving in our nature. We'll be kissing in the rhythm of love, moving in the rhythm of love, kissing in the rhythm of love. Take me back to nature, our hearts come together. We'll be kissing in the rhythm of love, kissing in the rhythm of love, kissing in the rhythm of love. Take me back to nature, our hearts come together. We'll be kissing in the rhythm.
Alright, family, keep your hand on your heart. I want you to feel the heartbeat. Now, what I want you to do right now, bring your breath into that. Every time you feel a pulse on your heart, I want you to take a deep inhale. Ease in. Then look for the other pulse on your heart. Then exhale. Feel it again. Inhale. Pause. Feel it again. Find it. Oh, there it is. Then exhale. Then pause. Look for it. Feel it. There it is. Found it. Then exhale. Pause. Look for it. Feel for it. Where is it? There it is. Now you inhale. You follow me, family? Let's do that. I'm gonna serenade you, my people. Look for that. And keep breathing. Close your eyes right now. Tonight, can we build a heaven tonight? In a Cheza Roho tonight. Bring our hearts together, moving in our nature. We'll be kissing in the rhythm of love. You know with me? You follow me, family? Hey! Keep breathing, keep moving. Tonight, can we build a heaven tonight? In a Cheza Roho tonight. Bring our hearts together, moving in our nature. We'll be kissing in that rhythm of love, moving through that rhythm of love, kissing in the rhythm tonight. Can we build a heaven tonight? In a Cheza Roho tonight. Take me back to nature, when our hearts come together. We'll be kissing in the rhythm of love, kissing in the rhythm of love. Kissing through the rhythm of love. Let's go back to nature, family. Your nature is peace, my kings and queens. Your true nature is peace. And pleasure is the game that you've come here to play. Enjoyment of life. Yes, family. You get to decide what that is. Are you with me? Love. Are you in the game, though? All I wanna know is, are you in the game, though? All I wanna know is, are you in the game, though? You see, family, on this journey of spiritual health, the Heaven Safari, you go as far as who you believe yourself to be. Your programming tools are your imagination and your affirmation, the things you say about yourself. This is how you program, the final stages of how you program who you believe you are. It comes through your imagination and your affirmation. Family, the truth is, you are God experiencing itself as human flesh. And the more and more you go through the journey of not only understanding that, but becoming aware and practicing that, that is when the heavens open up to you. The more and more you realize that you are one as the Most High Creator. Simple. What I want to know is, let's get in the game. We ain't talking too much right now. What's that, my in the crisis, you will find with a crisis. Look in your eyes in the mirror, don't lie, you will like it to ISIS and Osiris, but on my wrist, handcuffs, no fucks, work given on the day that I die this. No lie, I'm so fake, the rate of chest paper, only self-hatred. I'm so fly, and my races don't rate the phone away, we're so wasted. Can you face this? They mirror the reflex, the time is reset the mind and hey! Let's go, family! Here's the life, here's the love, here's the light, here's enough, here's the now, where's the one, what we need, hearing us, hearing aid, hearing trust, hearing truth, here's the us,
Hates to laughs, hardy hard, cause you know life's one big Mardi Gras. Anytime we turn up, we raise the bar. And if we burn up, we blaze it hard. Things end up in the days of war, but when things get rough, we take the charge. And anybody thinking of taking ours, scope them out when they're hating us. I pray this last, the days of ours. We only got through cause I think we got. I take this rock, I'm part of seeing secret of my see, we'll see the truth. The things we see, we will see what we see. What people see, we'll see the great fruit. And if that's you, raise some hell. Until you see heaven and you break the jail, then they built around if they knock you down. Take them out, take them out, say take them out. You are young, no mother, no father, no brother. Just one could have all the fun, yes, so when I get home with you. Every night we tell the back of one thing I'm done. Keep moving, it's the life. Keep moving, it's the life. It's the life.
All I wanna know is,
Yeah, you know I love to, but I don't really think I'll go.
are you in the game, family? How long we got
I
left?
wanna be social, but I just got a lot on my mind.
How long we got left, family?
Yeah, you know I love to, but I don't really think I've got time.
Family,
Cause I wanna be social, but
21st of August, this Saturday,
Lord,
we got 4 hours of this, back to back, live in Brixton Street Gym. Jump into the Cheza Roho game. Come dressed as your spirit. Come dressed as who you know yourself to be. In fact, come dressed as the energy that you want to relate with on that day. Come dressed in the energy that you want to relate with on that day. And we will help you dress your spirit, family, in this game of Cheza Roho. Come, grab your tickets now via the link in my bio. Grab your tickets now, family. Last ones. And then we go in. That's right. Come on, sister. Tell them. Tell them, Fitz. Tell them. Tell them. It's time to get dark with it, family. It's time to open up.
yeah, you know I love you, but I don't really think I'll go.
Who's got Jasha right now? Who's sweating right now? Hey! Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello, hello. Now with nights, I can't tell the difference between the days. My working hours, 365, 25/8. Quit a 9 to 5 to do a 9 to 9 a.m. Chasing around the clock, restless. All I'm eating is breakfast. Tetris is my mind. Ideas like a ton of bricks. Rain falling, brainstorming, thunder. I can't run from it. Really, a silly Billy just trying to engage my willy. But every time I call Nikki, my mind is like MIKEL, really? Cause really, what do I look like trying to call this chick up? My brain's low, money's low, all she gets is my dick up. And this grind can get lonely sometimes, but I need someone to come and console my mind. Cause I find that responsibility suck when you feel like an empty cup, you just wanna get hired. Bang! When you got the girls up on your line, it's hard to deal with this sometimes, but I need to just clear my, be by myself, you know what I'm saying? Hey!
You know I love you, but I don't really think I've got time.
Come on, family.
Cause I wanna be social, but I just got.
Oh yeah, we're going into the temple. on Saturday. We're going into the temple, I'm just saying. Unleash the spirits, family. We're going to let it all go. Hey, shall I go there? I take my hat off to black women with back offs, carrying shopping bags and the baggage from bad brothers, backing up in the drive of the soon-to-be baby mothers, while you sigh in your mind, hollered by 3 others who trick and do you the same. Meanwhile in your brain you carry traumatic symptoms of slaves, pressures and pains, immeasurable conditions ingrained deep in your vein. Born and raised in the West, overloaded, it's insane. I got the nerve to be giving you stick, when half the time I just be lusting trying to give you the... Thinking about it over time, degenerative, shallow-minded ignorance plagues most of our residents. It's evident, we need to find a way now, cause no PM or president is giving us a way out. Maybe you'll set a precedent amongst the youth and show how we can stand on our own too, and build our way out, just like a lemming, looking out for my brethren, sacrificing my life to see generations amending the things that we don't get right, like all this fake pretending, as if we have no emotion or pain is patent pending. We know it so well, we've been through that hell, we live in that well, and we can see the light, but will we fight to jump and excel? Silly sowing cess seeds so you can seize them and sell, or sowing seeds for success so you succeed for yourself. The smell is so potent, I hope these lyrics get noticed. Hope for the hopeless, homeless, yeah, that's the reason I wrote this. Grow must grow them and cope with the coldest conditions growing. Roll it, smoke it and blow it. Every day I'm still growing, just know it. I'm a human with heart, I will show it. Vocalize all my views at the few, I'm a real poet. Seeing the sights that I can keep moving and change the world. You don't see what I'm saying, sit down and go suck yourself.
Yeah, you know I love you, but I don't really think I got time. Cause I wanna be social, but I just got a lot on my mind. And Lord knows.
Let me tell them.
Lord knows.
Let's end strong, family.
From my bag, it's your them.
I can see the champion in my mirror. Rub off the smoke and it's so clearer. Wake up in the morning, yeah, I got some good food. That's a nice dinner. Some of you lot was not ready. I can see the champion in my mirror. Rub off the smoke and it's so clearer. Wake up in the morning, yeah, I got some good food. That's a nice dinner, yeah. Anywhere I step, anyhow I flex, I mean as well rep, yeah, yeah. I mean as well rep. If you see me on the block, you can't read me. No matter with them, no matter with them, no matter with them. No matter with them, no matter with them, no matter with them. No matter with them, no matter with them, no matter with them. No matter with them, no matter with them, no matter with them. You can see the champion in my eyes. down as well.
See ya.
Nakumaisha, sis. Peace.
Peace. Bless up.
You done know. Whee. Family, it's been my pleasure to welcome you into Furaha Land for our sacred game of Cheza Roho. Won't you meet me here again, same rhythm, Kesho Asubui, for more spiritual games. If you'd like to link up with us in the flesh and meet us in Roho House, join us this Saturday. Click the link in the bio, grab your tickets, bring your children if you like, and come along. All right? And look out for our Joshua movie, which is out right now. Our vision board. It's a vision board. Peace in. Love out. Nakumaisha watu waroho.